Hello friends, in this video we will look at while loop and for loop in JavaScript. The while loop and for loop both are used to execute set of statements multiple times. So the set of statement can be one statement or it can be more than one statement. How many times is decided by the loop condition. Unlike if construct, which we saw in the previous video, the loop condition will be checked once again after executing the loop body. So in the if statement, once the loop body is executed, it moves to the next line of statement. It won't check the condition again. That means in if condition, the condition will be evaluated only once. But in terms of loops, the condition will be evaluated repeatedly until the condition returns false. Now let us go to the examples. So here we are declaring a number and the number is 1. So here we are using the while loop, while number less than 11. So the keyword is while in JavaScript. Like other language, here also the keyword is while. Then we form the condition. The condition is placed within the parenthesis. Number less than 11, that is the condition expression. So here we are using the operator less than. So the condition will evaluate true or false. So the number is initially 1. You can look at the code snippet 1. So since the condition 1 less than 11 is true, we enter inside the loop, and the loop body consists of two statements. So the first statement prints the number and the second statement changes the number so that the condition can be re-evaluated once again. So each time, since we are increasing the content in number, at one stage number will go more than 10. So that time the condition will fail and we will come out of it. So this is an example for a while loop. Now let us look at for loop. In the for loop, we directly started using the number. There are three parts in for loop. One is the initialization part. After that, the condition or the condition expression part. Here the condition expression part is number less than 21. Then the loop counter part. Here the loop counter is the expression we are using and we are incrementing the loop counter. When the control flow occurs, it executes the first part, that means the initialization part, and that part will be executed only once. Here we doesn't initialize anything. Yet if you want to initialize, you can use, for example, where number equal to 1. That means the loop starts with the initialization number equal to 1. But here we are reusing the number which was incremented in the while loop. That means which was incremented in the while loop. That means when a number is more than 11, we will come out of the loop and that will be fed into this for loop. So here the for loop runs for 10 times because we are checking number should be less than 21. So the loop runs for 20 times and it prints. So the initial value in number is 11, then it continues till 20, then the loop quits. Now let us look at this example. We will execute this example in IE. So here is the example. So whatever you saw on the slide, same is kept here. Now we will execute this in IE. So if you see, the while loop runs for 10 times. That means the statement is executed repeatedly here for 10 times. Then in the for loop we kept two statement, one statement. But here in the while loop we kept two statement. One is for printing this number, another one is to increment that loop counter number. In for loop, the loop counter is incremented using the number plus plus, which is the third part of the for loop. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.